place is amazing!
This place is pretty cool. Finished taking a plane from Phuket to Bangkok. It was an hour long, 5-hour layover in Bangkok, and then we took a flight from Bangkok to Bali. And we took a taxi up here to UBUD. Now we're here at UBUD Villa.
Look at this place, it's amazing! Okay, it's pouring rain right now. 2 rooms over here, but nobody's staying in them right now, so we basically have this villa all to ourselves. There's like a door there that leads out to the rest of the resort and the pool area. It's so cool! Oh my goodness. And the ceiling, and the bed, it's so cute. And then we have an outdoor bathtub, and it's so gorgeous. And we have these like closets with like white robes. And then our outdoor bathroom is through here. It's so freaking cool. We have the shower over here.
Rainfall shower.
So cool. Are you excited?
I'm excited to use that tub.
Yeah. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna take one in the rain. This is so cute. This is amazing. But it includes breakfast as well. Right?
Yeah, it was $36 a night, and then with breakfast included, it was like $41 a night, but for $5.
Yeah.
For 2 people.
But still, like $40 a night for this hotel room is crazy. And then there's a whole pool area out on the other side of that door as well.
With lounge chairs.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Good morning from UBUD Bali. Today we are at the Sacred Monkey Forest. We already made some little friends. Bananas in our backpack, so they can for sure smell them. You're so little. Friend right now. Hey, bud. Hey, hi. Here you go. Look at him. He's like, you have nothing. You have no food. Look at these guys.
That's my finger. He's holding his tail.
He's like, give it back, give it back.
Eating bananas.
There you go. Like the bracelets. The monkey forest is so cute. What do you think of the monkey forest?
Yeah, it was very cool.
Get a big bubba climb on you?
Yeah, this sucker must have been like 50, 60 pounds.
Yep,
He's
he's huge. And you could tell that there was the big monkey and then all the little monkeys would follow him around because he probably got all the good food. That they're his like babies, or they're just smart and they just follow him around because they know where the food is at.
And
we're doing a market before.
I noticed that he would kind of just like flop on the ground, and the other ones would come over and like
start cleaning him.
Yeah, they start cleaning him. They just like pick through his hair. It was really funny too, because like I'm not sure if it's like having mother around, they'd be fighting, and then this one would walk over and they'd just stop fighting. So.
Maybe. I feel like the big ones are the dads, whipping them into shape. Stop bickering. Overall, good experience. Just now.
We are at the Elephant Cave and Temple, the 300-year-old tree. Down here we have the 7 holy water baths.
From India?
Yeah, this stuff was all from the 11th century and was rediscovered in the early 1900s, like 1917. Apparently the one side was used for Hindu, the other side was used for the Buddhist people.
And then over here we have the Elephant Cave. It looks like it's all carved out of the rock face. That's it. In I think 1917 there was an earthquake here and everything was covered up, but they uncovered it. What's wrong, babe?
I feel pretty, oh so pretty.
This is the holy water temple. They have like the baths where you wash yourself in it. Doggo.
Doggo?
Doggo. So hot, you guys. It's like 45 degrees out. I'm sweating buckets.
Ready?
And this is the holy water. Guys got mad bubble butt going on.
Sabata?
Sabata, and look how big they are. It's crazy. For scale.
They are Balinese, and they're 8 meters tall. Pretty tall.
Got it. Look at Jake doing it for the gram. What a loon. Babe, there's people coming.
But I got it.
You got it?
That's all that matters. Sometimes you gotta get down and dirty and
yeah.
You know?
Doing it for the gram.
Doing it for the gram.
Yep. Freaking hot.
Is it? Yeah. What
I'm
else?
sweating.
Are you?
Yes. It's just so hot here.
I got a good glisten going here. Get some footage of me getting our teeth right here. Zoom in.
Had lunch, some curry, some noodles. Chums are full. I'm just sitting in these little benches.
Where are we?
We're at the we're at the rice paddies.
The rice patties?
Yeah, the rice terraces. Sorry. We're at the rice terraces. And it's very beautiful. What do you think of the villa?
It's nice.
It's nice. Can you think of a more luxurious spot to play video games?
No, not really.
Good morning from another day in Bali. Today we are walking around the UBUD village, sorry, the more like central location of the town. We are just walking around. We're gonna try some cute cafes, and yeah, right now it's a bit overcast, so at least the sun is not super shining on us because it becomes really, really hot. One thing that you will find when you're walking along the streets in UBUD is that literally every 30 seconds there's someone asking you if you want a taxi ride. And I've come to the point where I've just kind of like ignored them because it's just getting so overwhelming. Like literally I just want to post a sign on my chest that says like no taxi, no taxi. It's crazy. We were also told that every morning before the shop opens or before people start their workday, the Hindu people pray, and they create these little flower things that look like that they put outside of their shops or their temples to bring good luck to the rest of the store and to all your purchases. He's so cute.
So it's not like that.
How do you like the UBUD village?
So.
So. It's very calm and like quiet in comparison to what we've heard about the rest of Bali, mainly the southern part where it's like a bunch of resorts and beaches and more partying type of atmosphere. Now we're all relaxed and we have our villa and pool and everything, but next up I think we booked a surf camp, a little like beachside bungalow. We're literally right on the beach, so that's going to be amazing, and we're going to do some surf lessons so that'll be fun and interesting. But looking forward to it. Look at them all. Hey bud. Oh honey. Hi. Look at them all. They have more babies. They're waiting for a thing to pass. Oh no. It's an actual monkey crossing. Look at these.
Thank you.